Fibonacci, the golden ratio, was discovered by Leonardo Pisano in 13th century, and exact same patterns repeat in financial markets. This is Ala Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and Alpha Fibonacci method. Alpha Fibonacci retracement tool identifies trend reversal areas days, weeks, months and years in advance, which will override all indicators. And when price comes to Fibonacci reversal zone, market will collapse no matter what the fundamentals or earnings are, all identified in advance. Did we know or did we know that this is a place to buy from? Of course! Ultimate precision, ultimate way to trade. Fibonacci reversal zone is reached. Nothing else matters. All in advance, never after the fact. You master this, you can trade anything. Good morning, traders. This is Ala Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci method and Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. In this webinar, we'll be showing you how the institutional Alpha Fibonacci trend system will improve your trading. First, I would like to remind you what we will be covering in this webinar. We will be going over Alpha Fibonacci trading system with multiple examples from day trading futures to long-term stocks, Forex, and of course you will see how students invest long-term and how students trade system using options on any instruments. You will witness the power of Alpha Fibonacci trading system in current and prior markets. You will see how students and graduates trade with institutional trends and precision, and how you can trade with Alpha Fibonacci institutional trends and precision on any instrument you will choose. Briefly about myself. I hold multiple degrees, I speak multiple languages. I've been investing in stock market, real estate and multiple business ventures since the moment I arrived to United States of America 32 years ago with very few dollars in my pocket, less than 60, a newborn child in my hands. Until 2008, I was fascinated with Fibonacci, but when market crashed in 2008, it was extremely clear that Fibonacci is what forms market formula, is what sets up all market trends, market inceptions, market reversals, that using anything other than Fibonacci is not a brilliant thing to do. I developed the very first strategy that remains the core of Alpha Fibonacci system. 2011, I founded Fibonacci Trading Institute, Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel that has thousands of videos. Later on, I also founded Fibonacci Trading podcast channel where you can listen to how traders globally trade the system. I mentor traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. I constantly develop new strategies, new system, new software. Currently, I work with retail trader in Florida, in Louisiana. Amazing to see you, Scott. In New Jersey, in New York, as well as hedge fund manager in Middle East, in London, in Europe, who are using Alpha Fibonacci system that you will see in this webinar. These are the students, very few photos, that I met with in years of teaching. As at the end of the day, quality of relationships determines quality of your life. That's the reason I love what I do. As traders who are serious about trading, enjoy using all you will see next. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is a complete semi-automated system with multi-market scanner and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja 8. System can also be traded and has been traded on any platform and any instrument since 2011. This is the core of the system. This, you're looking at it. This is what makes systems so different. Pure price is a core, is a critical part. This is gold, 3-minute chart. But if I click on Apple Weekly, it looks exactly the same. And if I will hide the name of the instrument, you will not have a clue what instrument you are looking at, because they all look the same. So if you can trade pure price on gold 3-minute, you can trade pure price on euro 4-hour chart. You can invest Apple long term, and you can day trade S&P, and you can also invest S&P index long term. What do they have in common? Price action remains the same. The moment you recognize this, you stop wasting your time on anything else. This is what matters. This is the core of Alpha Fibonacci system. And if you can trade this, you can trade anything you choose. This is what makes systems so different. System consists only of two components: indicator-free price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci retracements. Nothing else is needed ever. And that's what I recognized in 2008. And today, on July 11th, 2020, this is what traders been trading globally using this proprietary Alpha Fibonacci retracements. This is 2008 on Chesapeake Energy, one of the top energy companies on the planet. Despite stunning earnings and stunning fundamentals, went into free fall, all identified years in advance. And if you start understanding this, you will never need anything, because identical thing is what played out in the month of February this year. This is Dow traders with Alpha Fibonacci system in the last few months. Looks identical as Chesapeake Energy 2008. This is how you stop losing sleep. This is how you stop stressing out. If you know where to expect trend reversal, you are stop being stressed out. You start enjoying trading. You know in advance where to expect critical institutional support. 19,000 level, 18,500 level on Dow is critical. When Dow reaches this level on Black Thursday, March 23rd, strategic trader not panicking. Strategic trader understands this is institutional trend inception. This is your opportunity to buy the bottom. And when buyers step in with vengeance, you know many months in advance where to expect reversal on Dow. This is institutional chart on Dow in the last few months. trading without this chart is not an option. Trading with institutions and with institutional trends is the only option. So when Dow reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone and Dow starts selling off again, intelligent trader is not in panic. Intelligent trader understands extremely well that critical Alpha Fibonacci support will determine markets for months to come. And that's the power of institutional trends and institutional trend system in front of you on critical Dow Futures Index. This is Dow now. The most spectacular vertical recovery since 1987, 2020. On Black Thursday, intelligent trader did not panic, did not think the world is ending. On Black Thursday, March 23rd, intelligent trader was buying the bottom with institutions. Not panicking, not shorting near institutional support. This was Dow at the end of March. If you're trading 1, 2, 3, 5-minute chart, if you day traded any chart, you are buying the bottom with institutions. You've been riding long institutional trend, paying attention to institutional power, institutional support, institutional trading ranges before you ever place a trade. And that's institutional chart on Dow that identified sell-off and bullish trend inception months in advance. And that's the reason system traded on Wall Street and globally, not on few $1,000s account only, but on 7, 8-figure account using this. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. This is a trade on S&P Mini with pure entry, pure stop, and pure targets. No speculation here. No indicators here. None are needed. And that's the power of Fibonacci, predictive, precise synchronicity of natural Fibonacci symmetry. Fibonacci has nothing in common with indicators. All indicators are delayed. All are artificial. When you look on the chart and you look on Fibonacci, it is not found under indicators. It is found under drawing tools. But how to use Fibonacci, how to take advantage of this precision is crucial, critical part of your trading. Here's Dow this week on day trading chart. This is ultimate bottom on July 10th. This is ultimate top on July 9th. And this is market closed on Friday. If I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? Ultimate precision. Identify days in advance. You don't need to wait for weeks, months, and years. You're looking at day trading chart. A system and method identifies ultimate buy and sell points in advance. And if I take a look on S&P, and if I convert this chart to 3, identical formula applies. Identical day trading support at the market open on S&P mini future, and major problem at critical alpha Fibonacci resistance that became critical alpha Fibonacci support, where bullish rally continued from, but this is a problem. Identical formula on any chart you trade, identical precision. You decide what you want to trade. You will never need anything else. Pure price and Fibonacci only. And this is posts from last Wednesday in the trading room. When visitor asked in the trading room, how much time do you spend trading the system? Andy says 8 hours. Done. 2 hours maximum in the morning. Brad reporting 10 to 20 hours per week. And Scott shares, it all depends on what instruments he trades. As you will see, he trades multiple instruments. And as you could see, students reporting what they trading and how many years experience they had prior until becoming successful with Alpha Fibonacci system. Various spectrum, various experience from 1, 2, 3, 5 to 15, 29, 12, 10 years, 3 years, 12 years of trying. And then they share value is unlimited. Trading without software is like walking into gunfight without weapon or body armor. And as Brad shares, identifies trade setups right in front of your eyes. It is only on one very little exchange in a couple of minutes on very important question. Students trading this. As we already reviewed, Alpha Fibonacci system on Dow futures, institutional charts, and day trading charts. This is a strategic, precise institutional trend system that removes speculation and allows trader to play markets as strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. Jeff does not day trade. Jeff is 76. He utilizes position long term on stocks as he's sharing maximum 2 hours per week trading Apple, Costco, SHW. At the time Jeff stopped by the trading room, he was up on Costco 85%, Apple 40, Microsoft 120 at 76. Jeff prefers to ski, not spend time in front of the screen trading this. This is Apple in 2015, 2016 when Apple comes out with the worst earnings. I present at the hedge fund convention and I state the most important part of this formation if Apple would respect Alpha Fibonacci support at 93 or not. If this support is respected, Apple will continue higher. Despite the worst earnings in 13 years, that's exactly what played out. Apple doubled in value, reaching next Alpha Fibonacci resistance, critical target 2 years later. After the earnings, Apple heading higher to the next level. And when Apple reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, identified years in advance, intelligent trader is not surprised. Intelligent trader understands extremely well. Price reverses from this level 80+% of the time. What do you see at the bottom? 140. So when Apple selling off, there is no surprise. When Apple rallies from 140, there is no surprise. All precise. No delays here. All identified in advance. And that's the power of the system, traders. And that's what you're witnessing on S&P at the close on Friday. And if I convert this chart on S&P to 15-minute chart, again and again and again and again, S&P have done exact same thing on July 8th, on July 9th, as Apple has done, rallying from the bottom. If you can trade one, you can trade it all. Price action on S&P, on Dow, on Apple remains the same. And if you're trading 5 minutes, 15 minutes, any chart, the only difference, risk management at trade whole time. That's it. That's the power of the system that allows you to buy ultimate bottom and to sell ultimate top. No speculation here. Intelligent trader prepared minutes and hours in advance. On long-term charts, months and years in advance. You decide what you want to trade, and if you want to trade it all, students do so all over the world in the last 10 years. With Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, trader can trade any platform, any instrument, from 1, 5, 15-minute S&P and Q, Dow, futures, 60-minute Bitcoin, Euro, Apple, Amazon, gold. Let's review more examples. Here's a post from our trading room, from our students. Jean day trades and option trades. SPY, Diamond, IWM, Baidu, FXI, TLT, VIX. Jean, in his 70s, retired oil executive in Texas and Scotland. Ken is a rock star, movie maker in London. He's the one who made the movies that you saw at the start of the webinar. A week ago, 39 for 39 trades as Ken share on SPY, Bitcoin, ETH, LTS, XLM. And this is where it gets interesting. When Ken dropped in this Wednesday, 64 for 64. SPY, BTC, XLM, and EO. Scott, swing trades, and much more. Khalid, Dow, Brett, S&P. What is S&P? 3.75 point on one contract. $175. On 10 contracts, $1,750. On 20 contracts, do the math. We do not know the lot size. Scott, Khalid, or Brett, or Andy trades 4 points on gold. On one lot, $400. On 10 lots, $4,000. Done. Dow, 32 points. Do the math. One lot, $320. 10 lots, $3,200. As Scott says, AFS, Alpha Fibonacci System, equals ATM. Thousands and thousands of posts. Choice is yours. What you decide to trade. Jennifer, with newborn at home, with 2 little babies, killing it on S&P and gold, as she shares 25% in one day. And that's a group of spectacular traders who are killing it, as Brad shares, game changer, this software. And that's the power of community of our incredible traders, and what's possible if you make an effort. Institutional Alpha Fibonacci trend trader remains confident, consistent, trading strategically, stress-free in all market conditions, seeing crisis as opportunity, not a media-driven negative panic event. Here is S&P in the last 12 years. 2008. S&P in free fall, collapsing from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. 2016, S&P in major correction. This is critical moment, traders. 2008, price crashes through support. 2016, price does not. Price respects critical support stuck here for 3 years. This is where billions of dollars are traded if you do not use institutional chart and institutional Alpha Fibonacci trends. It is gambling, not trading, as price spells out years in advance where reversal will come from. When 2 years later price reaches reversal 2018 and price starts selling off, there is no surprise. It is all precise. Brutal correction 2018 was a preview of what to come in 2020. 2019 price reverses from critical Alpha Fibonacci support. Do you remember how crucial the exact same level was in 2016? That's exact same thing that played out in 2019, in 2016, and that's exact same thing that played out in 2020. This is S&P traders now. Where did the buyers come from? Where did the vertical recovery come from? Identical institutional support. Thursday, March 23rd, where price skyrocketed from. Correct? Shock or not? 2016, identical thing. 2019, identical thing. That's it. It's all precise. Price keeps repeating identical patterns. And when price comes to Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, intelligent trader very well prepared, understanding that this is critical, crucial institutional support. And when November comes and we're gonna see extreme volatility, extreme events, strategic, proactive human being and trader very well prepared. As Alpha Fibonacci System and Fibonacci Trading Institute addresses not only trading, but proactive, healthy life and healthy mind, all in advance, never after the fact. And if you're utilizing institutional charts and you're trading on short-term charts, you are riding very powerful train. You are riding the power. On gold, stunning sell-off with Alpha Fibonacci system, with pure entry and pure targets. No speculation here. No indicators needed ever. Only pure price and Alpha Fibonacci targets with ultimate precision. So if you can trade gold, S&P futures, Dow futures, Apple, you can trade Amazon. This is Amazon since 2018. 2018, Amazon stuck between Alpha Fibonacci support and resistance. What do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Is it possible that Amazon comes out with excellent earnings? So why in the world is Amazon selling off $700 per share? Because if trading on the news worked, every single person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. Trading pure price and Alpha Fibonacci does, as proven by traders globally. Stunning earnings don't mean a thing. 2019, when Amazon selling off another $400 per share. And when 2020 Amazon selling off again, intelligent trader knows extremely well where ultimate place to buy from. That's it. That's the power of the system, traders. You decide. Is it S&P 5-minute? Is it Amazon Weekly? Is it Apple or Bitcoin? Choice is yours. Price action remains the same. Risk management and trade hold time is the only difference. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System solves these problems in day and position trading, identifies in advance institutional trend inception, trend reversal and trading ranges, independent of news and earnings, delivers consistent results, gives peace of mind and clarity, erases taking speculative trades at the wrong time and after the fact. So this is the example of ultimate institutional morning, when trading day lasted less than 2 minutes. When market at institutional buy zone, you are not spending much time trading. You are focusing on quality, never ever quantity of trades. You are never thinking as majority does. Majority thinks more trades, more money. Strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader knows quite well. Trading with institutions and not against them is the most critical part of your trading. So when you come to institutional chart and you understand that this is the institutional buy point, that this is institutional buy point, that this is institutional buy point, and this is institutional buy point, your trading day lasts less than a few minutes. And if you understand how crucial this area is, you are well prepared months in advance. You are strategizing and planning very well, without panic and stress. No matter how short the time frame you trade. And if you trade 1 minute, of course, it is very popular with our traders. Showing you again in advance ultimate buy at bullish trend inception at Alpha Fibonacci support in advance. Never after the fact. And that's power of the system on Dow with precise entry and targets. And when Dow reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone and Dow selling off from this level, there is no surprise. All precise. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System can be traded on any platform. We have traders on Thinkorswim, Sierra Charts, MT4, MT5, Interactive Brokers, Infinity, platforms I've never heard of trading the system. Software for Ninja 8 came out only in 2019. This is what system looks like. This is a scanner. Multiple scanners running in front of you. And with a single click, if I decide to add multiple instruments, of course, why not? Please do. And if you want to add only one, it takes a second. And if you would like to convert every single one of these sections to a different time frame, to daily, weekly, and monthly, absolutely, you can easily do so. Nothing is a problem. Choice is yours on what you will decide to trade. Software is not required, but if you would like to trade with software and remain on the other platform, you can utilize the software but place trades on a different platform. Here is Dow monthly. Do you remember Dow at 2100 level in 2007? Dow went into free fall until Dow came to Alpha Fibonacci support. This bright pink line identifies the most important Alpha Fibonacci level ever. So when price respecting this support, there is no surprise for 7 years. But 7 years later, price reaches next level. Next, 124 and 111 below. So how is it possible that Brexit in Europe but pound is rallying? Because it is Alpha Fibonacci support. And again, here comes COVID, here comes crisis. Why in the world is pound rallying again? Because Alpha Fibonacci said so. It is ultimate bottom. So please, never ever ever short into Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Success rate on shorts less than 20%. When Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is present, as you saw on Apple, as you saw on Amazon, as you saw on S&P, on Dow, on pound, you buy from support, you sell from resistance, which is drastically more accurate than any news event will ever be. If trading on the news made money, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. These are the traders who trade at institutional levels. Emmanuel, who brought his beautiful wife Jennifer to the course, killing it, who also introduced his best friend to the course, Anand is joining us this week. Gary supporting Emmanuel, Khalid is killing it. Jean continue reporting bullish trade on Dow and thanking me how I taught him how to fish. J, S&P, Marco in the middle of crisis, and Italy. Trading while not feeling well, his account had been funded by one step up. And David keeps reporting gold, oil, S&P, Dow. All of these traders share here on our podcast channel what they trade. You can see their photos. You can hear their journeys. If these traders can do it, so can you. You will find the journey similar to yours. We are constantly updating new podcasts. As you saw Marco in the middle of crisis in Italy, killing it in the markets. Ken is the one that made the movie to celebrate Fibonacci Trading Institute 10-year anniversary. Crisis is opportunity for Ken, bred after 20 years of trying. Pablo, complete beginner trader, never pushed a button on their computer, now funded by top step trader. David, you saw what he's sharing. Sam is a legend, trading options, rebuilding his life, putting his daughters through Harvard, trading Alpha Fibonacci system. And if you would like to see more, you can view the videos and traders' journeys and what they do, as more and more stories coming from traders in US and globally. You decide what you want to trade with Alpha Fibonacci system. System identifies on Ninja 8 entry stops and targets with multi-market scanner on multiple instruments. With scanner template, pivot finder, no gap range bar. And that's how students price a course and software. $10 for Rolls-Royce, best money I've ever spent, jackpot course. Students are my biggest critics. They know the power of the system, the power of community of our incredible traders. Using scanner or system for any platform. With pure price entry and targets with email and phone alert options. Here's the example of trade on oil from Alpha Fibonacci support, which is critical. And if you're understanding institutional bias, and if you're understanding how critical and how powerful institutional buy zones are, you are trading with confidence any chart you choose on oil. So here's oil on long-term institutional charts. When oil reaches ultimate bullish trend inception in 2016 at 30 level, it's ultimate place to buy from. So when oil skyrockets and reaches Alpha Fibonacci resistance 6 months later, this is crucial decision point on oil. This level is out, oil doubles in value. What do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So when oil starts selling off, you are not surprised. All precise as it's done on Apple, on Dow, on S&P, on Amazon, on pound. Ultimate free fall on oil 164 is out. And this is the events on oil until 2018. Correct? And if you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci support, you're extremely clear where oil skyrocketed from in 2019. But when sell-off on oil continues, there is no surprise. All in advance, all precise. And that's the historical moment on oil. When you see zero ahead, is it possible? Of course, Alpha Fibonacci said so. And when oil skyrockets from ultimate bottom, you knew that months in advance. Especially if you attended every Thursday live class. Especially if you witnessed power of the videos in modules 3 and 4. There is no surprise where oil skyrocketed from. But oil been frozen at critical the end of the minor trend for weeks, doing exact same thing as it's done in 2016. Remember that? Identical formations keeps repeating itself. Predictive precise Alpha Fibonacci system from 1 minute, 5 minute to daily, weekly, monthly charts. So if you're trading with institutions, you have opportunity to buy ultimate bottom months in advance. The most critical part of your trading to have a mentor and institutional trend system. If you have a system that's not utilizing institutional trends, at the best it's pain, at the best it's torture. Trading with institutions removes stress, removes pain. You're trading with power. Every day you identify this critical point, and a student share every single day how much I love what I do. I've been mentoring traders globally and in US from beginner to hedge fund trader for the last 10 years. And that's just another few little posts. Thousands and thousands of emails and statements from students who enjoy classes, who enjoy power of Alpha Fibonacci system. So if you are ready to trade any markets with consistency, with confidence, with precision and clarity, I look forward working with you. Because if Jennifer can do this in the middle of crisis, holding her newborn baby, incredible wife of Emmanuel, 2 children under 2, in the middle of crises. This is ultimate testimonial of what's possible if you start focusing on pure price and Alpha Fibonacci system. You will never need anything else in any and every market conditions. So if you would like to listen to our podcast channel, if you would like to view our YouTube channel, this is where you can find it all on our website. If you come to the website, our homepage is very self-explanatory. On the top of our homepage, you will see that Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is a lifetime license, semi-automated system that you can trade on all instruments. System traded in 50 countries plus on future stocks, Forex, ETFs, Bitcoins, options since 2011. And if you decide to trade on any instrument, nothing is a problem. Currently, we're offering the biggest discount, $2,000 off each package. If you would like to take a pause and listen to the podcast, please do. Emmanuel, incredible husband of Jennifer, Brad is a legend, Manu in the course, so is Ken, so is Pablo, complete beginner trader, so is David. This is how students value the system. This are the details about course. 3 months live group, course with lifetime license of software for NinjaTrade or any platform. Comes with video library, comes with modules, comes with proprietary Alpha Fibonacci strategies. Private mentoring 6 months includes access to all group classes, includes access to all strategies. I teach at Fibonacci Trading Institute. In private mentoring, I hold your hand, I quiz you, I log into your platform, you log into mine. I polish your weaknesses and I perfect your strengths, and we concentrate on instrument you decide to trade. Any questions? View the videos on our YouTube channel. As you will see, thousands and thousands of videos from our trading room, constantly uploaded weekly. And that's Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel. And that's Fibonacci Trading website. And if you would like to see more details, click on product section. Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System explains group mentoring for any platform, Ninja 8 private mentoring details. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And if you would like to see more, here is Scott. Good morning, Scott. Amazing to see you. It's absolute honor to see what you have done in the course. Stunning, incredible work. Taking account from 100,000 to 1 million. Third week in the course. This is serious effort. This is phenomenal work. This is a graph, few weeks later, far surpassed $1 million account to 4.8. Phenomenal performance to celebrate 10 years anniversary with Fibonacci Trading Institute. as traders compete with each other. Carry winning Forex competition, trading only 7 out of 10 days. Pablo, complete beginner trader, trading with 90% success rate. Never having a clue how to push a button on trading system. Currently, top step trader. You can listen to Pablo's podcast. Brett, legend. Tried for 20 years prior. Started with very small account. This is prior. Taking 25K account to well above 100,000. Right now, 2 years later, Brett is close to 500,000 account. Here's the account a year ago. You decide what you want to trade with Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. Regular price 59.77 with current biggest discount ever, only 39.77. This is most popular option. And if you will decide to dive into private mentoring, please speak with me first. Please pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298. And if you choose the option for any platform, absolutely, you can do so with Alpha Fibonacci system, with group course or private mentoring. So thank you, traders, so much for your time. I look forward to working with you. Please do not hesitate to contact me with any questions you may have. It's been my joy and pleasure to be with you. Thank you so much, everyone. Be well. Bye-bye.